everyone, you're welcome back to Shapala's Kitchen. It's been amazing having you guys with me. In today's video, I'll be making Zobo juice, one of the most refreshing and nutritious drink in a very healthy way. So I'll be using hibiscus leaf, aka Zobo leaves, pineapple. I'll be using ginger, cucumbers, oranges, dates, and cloves. Guys, you can recreate this recipe in your own way. You can decide to do away with the cucumbers. You can decide to do away with the oranges. It's just my own way of trying to make sure that the drink has lots of amazing nutrients packed. Okay, no sugars and no preservative, no artificial sweeteners. Please guys, remember to remove seed from your orange so you will not make your juice to be bitter. I pour everything into the pot, add some water, and allow it to boil for some time. I bring it down, let it simmer a little. So carefully remove the lumpy fruits, the pineapple, the cucumber, the orange, even the dates. We'll go ahead and sieve our Zobo juice. Blend it smooth, pour it back into the Zobo mixture. I use my sieve and filter out the juice, and my Zobo drink is ready. Kindly put your Zobo drink in the refrigerator and serve chilled. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, hit the notification bell. See you in my next video. God bless you. Have a nice day.